Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Now go to New Project and add 8 photos. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Write the text whatever you want to write. Choose font and style and place the text. Now apply text layer till first photo. Now write second text. Trim the text layer. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.